I'm traveling the country while I'm working, and today's story is about going with the flow because sometimes unexpected surprises happen that aren't that pleasant. So essentially, I was picking up coolant to fix one car problem I had, and then my car wouldn't start. So rather than getting all angry, I just looked up on my phone what to do in the area, and there was a state park about a mile and a half away. I walked to it on the road, and man, was it peaceful and enjoyable here. It was just pleasant reconnecting with nature and just seeing just how weird the rivers wound here. It was just interesting. Anyhow, I got back to my car, started up. I added coolant, which seemed to have solved the issue of why it wouldn't start. And so I figured it out.